Hello and welcome to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. I'm your host, Ruth Agbeloso. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll see whenever I upload a new video, which is twice a week. Like this video, comment, share, all those wonderful things. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for your support. Please go ahead and like, share, do all those wonderful things as well. I really appreciate you. Today's video is sort of a follow-up from the last video that I did, Ask a Life Insurance Agent. I will go ahead and link that video so that you can watch it if you haven't. So it'll be here or here, who knows, and also in the description box. In that video, we asked a life insurance agent several questions and she answered them. I'm not a life insurance agent anymore, but I'm just sharing with you some questions that you should be asking a life insurance agent when you sit down to sign up for life insurance. So I'm going to give you 5 more questions that you should ask a life insurance agent. So number 1, I'm giving you 5 more questions that you should be asking a life insurance agent. Number 1, who can be my beneficiary? This is a very general question and, of course, expected. Usually, a life insurance agent is not going to recommend a specific beneficiary. However, you have a lot of leeway with this. You can have one person as your beneficiary or more than one people as your beneficiaries. You can have a trust, a charity, an organization. It really is up to you, but I highly suggest that you ask questions of your life insurance agent to find out the ins and outs and make sure that you're doing what's going to be in the best interest of your beneficiary long term. One thing that they highly advise against is making your minor child your direct beneficiary. The reason being is if you pass away while they're still a minor, they will not be able to get the money directly. They'll need someone that will be in charge of their money. Okay. Question number 2. Find out how stable the company is by asking them about their history of payouts or settlements. You'll want to know how many settlements they've had over a given period of time and how long it took them to make those settlements. That's important information because you want to know, is this company a little fly-by-night company or has it been around for a little while, and can it be depended upon when you need it? Question number 3. How are death benefits paid? Now, that is also another very general question, and most insurance agents will tell you that it is up to you. So you can do a lump sum payment or you can do a monthly payment. You can put the money into someone's retirement fund, like for instance, if you pass before your spouse. There may be other options. So go ahead and ask your life insurance agent if there are other options and figure out what's going to work best for your situation or for the person that you're going to be leaving the money for. Question number 4. How much does life insurance cost? That is a big question there. And I can tell you that it's going to really vary depending on what company you go with. It's going to depend on your age, your health. It's going to vary depending on your lifestyle. And there may be other things that they take into consideration when they're calculating your cost. But you definitely want to find out what goes into that determination when you sit down and talk to your life insurance agent. And question number 5. What are the types of life insurance? Now, in my previous video that I linked below and I linked here or there, we did talk a little bit about the types of life insurance, but we didn't delve really deep into it. Basically, there's term life insurance and there's permanent life insurance. With term, there are different types of term insurance. And so you'll definitely want to make sure that you ask the questions that will allow you to know which term insurance is right for you. If you decide to go with term, just make sure that you fully understand it. And For permanent life insurance, there are whole life insurance policies and universal life insurance policies. So you'll want to find out the ins and outs of those and see which one would work best for your situation, your goal that you have in mind. To recap, the 5 questions are: who can I name as my beneficiary? How many payouts or settlements have you had in a given period of time? And how long does it take you to pay out once someone passes? How are death benefits paid? How much does life insurance cost? And the last one, what are the types of life insurance? And underneath that, what are the specifics of each one? I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please leave a comment and let me know if there was another question that you had in mind that you'd like me to do a video on. I really appreciate your feedback because your feedback helps me to make this channel better so I can serve you better. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like and share and comment. And remember that I'm here for you. My information is in my description box. I am a financial coach, so if you need someone to hold your hand and help you piece together all the different puzzle pieces of your financial life, reach out to me. And remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook.